Anyone got a bike rack for a Vauxhall Vivaro? That'd be great. Cheers, guys. Welcome to the Vauxhall Vivaro van build series. I suppose the reason for this video is the reason why I built the van in the first place, which was to get out. The van's parked up. I've already been on a mountain bike ride, about 6 kilometers along these paths here in the Forest of Dean. And now I've had my lunch in the van. Now I found the best way to cook eggs is just pop them up, close the lid, and off you go and wait. Look at that, perfect eggs every time. It's really nice to be able to get outside and actually enjoy the outdoors. It's great for your well-being, and if you're a little bit like me, you don't like too many people, then this is definitely the place to be. It's actually very magical this time of day. It's late afternoon, it's easier to park. I've actually parked here all day, to be honest with you. Take your time. Make sure you take plenty of water with you. Tracks are labelled in colours to give you guidance on where you're going. But if you're not careful, you can actually get lost. And this is why I've built the van. I wanted to build the van so it could take me places. I could spend all day in a place, not worry about eating if it's more remote, because then I can cook something. But yeah, it's just really therapeutic. Great to get outside. It's great to have the weather, in actual fact. We've had a pretty crappy year last year. I think it was the wettest year for the UK on record. I think I'm right in saying that. To capture the stillness and the loveliness that is actually the UK. We say a lot about the UK. It's starting to get expensive to live. All around the UK there are just beautiful places like this for us to visit, and this is owned by the Forestry Commission, and they're doing a really good job at keeping the paths clear for us to enjoy.